guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I am going to be using this Dollar Tree pumpkin. It's a foam pumpkin that I picked up at Dollar Tree, obviously, and some low heat glue gun. This one is from Dollarama and it's not very hot, and which is what you want in order not to melt your foam pumpkin. I am going to use some chalky finish spray paint in classic white that I picked up at Michael's, as well as some Annie Sloan soft dark wax. It doesn't have to be Annie Sloan, just like this doesn't have to be the Krylon. It can be any chalk paint and dark wax that you might have on hand, and if you do not have those on hand, you can always kind of modify it with some acrylic paint and maybe even brown and white acrylic paint. I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge that is hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs and Crafting with Corey, and it's called Pumpkin Pizzazz, and they want us to spruce up a pumpkin, to DIY something with the pumpkin. So that is what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this because I do not love these. So I'm going to be putting a piece of wood on there, and then I'm going to take my glue gun and just accent all the crevices of the pumpkin. And you want this to be a very thin line going down. And now I'm going to just do a little drops all over. And like I said, you want to use a low heat, because if you do a high heat, it might melt the styrofoam. Okay, so you want to let this dry, which doesn't take long at all, and I just want to show you how it looks right now. So once it's dry, and to know that it's fully dried, you want the glue to almost turn whitish versus the clear. So I have a little bit more to go. So it's ready. Okay, let that dry completely. So here is the pumpkin, just to kind of show you what it looks like. And now I'm going to take some of the dark wax want to make sure I don't have a giant clump of wax. and I'm just going to go all over. Let's see if I can do a better job with the brush. So I think I'm gonna do it with a rag, and then I'm going to go into little crevices with a brush. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Okay, now I'm going to put the little stem on it and see what it looks like all put together. So I'm going to add the stem. Let's put a little bit of hot glue just so it stays in place. So here it is. I think it turned out absolutely amazing. I love all the little details on it. Love, love, love the way it turned out. So totally different. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the hostess's channels, link down in the description box, as well as the playlist. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.